Hi guys, this is Miss Saltemeyer. I'm going to show you guys how to make an Animoto book talk. Now I've used Animoto in the past. It's made a few updates, so I'm making an updated video. Now for us today, you're going to need one thing out. So you may need your book, but you would really need the book talk to rewrite. So book talk is simply that. We're going to talk about the book we've read. So you need this information handy, your title, your author, and setting, characters, plot, and conflict and climax. Okay, so you need this page out and open. Then you're going to need to be able to go sign up for Animoto. So I'm going to walk you through that process. First, start by signing up. You're going to use your school email. You're going to need a password. I recommend keeping it simple, like your lunch number. Once you log in, you're going to see this page. It does have a bunch of different templates, but really we can just start from scratch. Once you do that, it's going to give you some options about like font and style. You could skip all of it. You really could. Or you could go ahead and say, hey, I'm going to pick this theme. Under aspect ratio, we want the landscape because we're making a video. It's better for like YouTube anyways. You can always change it later, so that's kind of fun. And so I'm going to click that. I don't have any media to upload. Okay. Then once you get here, you can start building your video. Now, you're going to notice there's a bunch of tools. There's also stock video you can use. One of the first things I want you to do is you go in, you can add your blocks down here. Okay. You can add text only, media only. And it used to be, it would not let you create a video unless you added a picture. So do make sure you add a picture. But let's say I'm making a text only. I can make a title. I'm going to start out with the title and author of my book. So I'm going to start out with Hatchet by Gary Paulson. Your book is different, but I'm using this one as an example. Okay. So now I have my first block. Then I'm going to go and add my next block. Now I'm going to keep, I think I could do this one media and text. So I'm going to do, oh, I like this one. The next on my template is I need to talk about my setting, right? So our setting is the Canadian wilderness. So I'm going to put Canada. And I'm just going to put wilderness. Then I can come over here and I can search for, hold on, let me go fix that really quick. I was typing too fast, wilderness. So then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to search for the woods. And it gives it just a second, it gives a little search for, I want it to look very much like Hatchet. And so I'm going to find a picture that I feel does that. I'm going to click it. Now here's the thing. There are some pro ones, so we are not paying for pro. So if it's something like that, you can also, under media type, you can also search the internet. So we're not going to use the pro ones. Since I am not using their pro photos, I'm going to go over here to Google. I'm going to do a search for images. Okay. And I'm going to find one that I can save to, oh, I kind of like this one. I'm going to go and save it to my computer, save image as, I'm going to say wild. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go back to Animoto, and this is how you can add your media here. I'm going to replace the media. To be able to upload my own photo, see it has stock photos over here. I'm going to actually click on project. I'm going to go click or drag to upload. I'm going to click here, and I had just downloaded it, so it's right here. I'm going to click open. And now this one is available for me to drag into place. So now I have my image, right? Okay, so I now have Canada Wilderness. So next I'm going to add my next block. I'm going to go on and I'm going to add my characters, right? So, oh, if I don't like it, like, oh, I just didn't do the right one, I'm going to click delete. And I'm going to go add my next few boxes. Guys, I'm doing pretty well right now. I've got several scenes going. I've been adding pictures and text. One of the things I start to do is after I've done all the plot things, I start asking questions because I do not want to give away my ending. So I go ahead and put in a few questions and it adds up. The next thing I'll do is start to give my opinion of the book. Given it my rating and I feel pretty wrapped up, please know that Animoto does not have a spell check, so you want to go in and check your spelling. Have someone else check your spelling before you finish it up. If you're copying directly from your template, that does have spell check, so you can control copy paste that over. Now that I feel like I'm done, I want to go ahead and play my video. And it takes a minute to kind of render it. So we're going to wait just a second. Now I'm going to watch it and kind of see that it looks good. Because we're using the free account, you are going to have this watermark and we're not going to do anything to remove it, but we're still going to use it. So I'm going to look through this, and as long as it looks good to me, I will close my preview and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to export it. All right, once I'm done, I'm going to go click export. And I want to get my copied link because this is the link you are going to give me to turn into Google Classroom. All right. It'll show me my video. It'll give me my link. I'm going to take this link, and this is the link that I'm going to turn in. And this is how I will be able to view it as the teacher. All right, guys, that's how you make an Animoto video. Have fun. Make sure your video is about a minute long. Check your spelling. It should be great. Thanks. Bye.